All right, y'all, so not a lot of organization with this vlog, but we don't have time for that shit because I'm just gonna get into it. I got some new fenders for the bikes at the swap meet in PDX Moto swap meet. We got this cool fat bob front fender that I'm gonna throw on the Shadow. Pretty good condition, even though I'm gonna change it up anyway. I'm gonna take this paint off and repaint it, but 10 bucks, $10 for that. And then I also got this fender for 15 for the Ironhead. Yeah, a long fender. It's for an older model, but I think it should fit. You know, I'm gonna chop that and then, you know, bolt it down. I have some struts I might be able to put on there. And then I wanna put the old seat on there that I had. This one, I wanna put this one back on there, but we'll see if it fits. I have to like figure out what to do to make it fit, but we'll see. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe and enjoy the video. Fuck, it's hot out here. I'm like gonna give up for the day because the fenders didn't work. There's the old one right there. There's the red one that I was gonna put on, but it doesn't really fit that well because it's meant for an older Sportster. So I'm using this fat bob front fender. I just have it mounted in here. All right, so I went to the hardware store and I found some stuff for the seat to make it work. Nice little bracket, you know, put it right up against the seat like that and have it rest. Or I found these brackets too, which actually fit perfectly with the setup of the seat. It lines up perfectly with the hole and then it rests right on the seat or on the fender. So I think this is gonna work, man. I think this one's gonna fucking work, just like that. Boom. Let's test it out. Check it out, guys. I got the seat mounted. It's pretty much done. I have it mounted here, right there with this bracket. It's a little raised, but you know, it's all good. And then I have it mounted right here. Check that out. Just gotta make that go in a little more. Drilled a hole in the fender to make this fit. Nice little bracket to keep the seat from moving around. Once I tighten that down, it'll be a little bit more stable. I drilled a hole for this one, drilled a hole in the fender, so it'll be a little bit more stable. And yeah, I'm just gonna tighten some things up and then I'll show you guys what it looks like. Finished product. Seat lines up nicely with the fender. It's not flush like I want it to be, but at least the seat fits. And you know, I'll change it up eventually. I want to get some shorter shocks, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, I dig it. Hell yeah, dude. Just gotta get the seat cleaned up and yeah. Not bad. I mean, it's not the prettiest. From the side, it looks weird because it's all lifted in on the bracket, but who cares? You can't really tell when you're riding it, so that's all that matters to me. Wired up the light. Light's all good to go. Just have it all zip tied and zip tied and zip tied. Yeah, I don't know. It should be okay. Oh, there we go, guys.